Welcome to the in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will adjust the highest volume of our device speaker here, so then this value on the display will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 113.2 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.